The DJI Neo can track you, but can't track objects. Or can it? Let's see if we can fool this little drone into tracking our car. Let's go. So with the DJI Neo not having active track, I was thinking, what about if I slap a mugshot of my face onto the back of the car and see if the drone will track me? Let's do this. So let's see if this little guy can even lock onto my mugshot there. First of all, we're going to put it into follow mode.
Follow. 3, 2, 1.
It seems like it's locked on. Let's see if this works. Let's go. So let's start off slowly. We're gonna go through the garage and see if it picks me up. What the hell? It's actually working. DJI, what have you done? That didn't last very long, did it? I think it's hovering somewhere in the garage. Let's go and see. The little fella got stuck. Lost us in the dark. Let's get closer and see if it works. Don't drive through the dark.
Follow. 3, 2, 1. Unable to take off. Aim camera and subject first. Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Well, for a moment there, I thought, it's working. But as soon as you pick up a little bit of speed, it just stands and hovers, and you leave it in your dust. So, not quite what I expected, but hey, let's try one or two more tests. Let's see if I can take a turn, if it actually will follow me on the turn, if I do it very slowly. Maybe. Let's go. Well, there you go, folks. I suppose DJI do know what they're doing, because here I tried to hack the system with my mugshot on the back of the car, and it worked sort of at very slow speeds, very jerky sometimes, but it did work. If I take the corner, it followed me, but if there's any darkness, it will stop immediately and just hover right there. Or if you go too fast, it just stops and hovers in the middle of nowhere. So yeah, I don't think it's the reliable way of doing things, but hey, We have to do these little experiments, don't we? If you like me doing this kind of experiments, then please subscribe to this channel, give us a like on this video, and of course, leave a comment in the links below. Tell us what else you want us to try out with this DJI Neo, and what other tech experiments you want us to try. See you in the next one. Cheers.